Protect your privacy with the best spy camera detector, designed to quickly identify hidden cameras in homes, offices, or hotel rooms. Stay secure and confident, knowing you can detect and prevent unwanted surveillance anytime, anywhere. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Prepared Detector Spy Camera. The Prepared Detector Spy Camera, also known as the Hero Privacy Pen, is a versatile and highly effective device designed to give you peace of mind in any environment. Its primary function is to detect hidden cameras, using advanced signal detection to identify the electronic emissions from nearby devices. If a camera isn't actively transmitting, the infrared detection mode allows users to locate hidden lenses, making it ideal for spaces such as changing rooms, public restrooms, or vacation rentals. In addition to camera detection, this device is capable of identifying hidden audio recording devices, a crucial feature in an age where illegal recordings are increasingly common. By alerting you to these threats, it helps protect personal privacy, confidential conversations, and even sensitive business information from potential misuse. The Prepared Detector Spy Camera also safeguards against GPS and Bluetooth trackers, a growing concern for travelers and those who carry valuable items. With the ability to detect trackers in purses, backpacks, and vehicles, it ensures that you are not unknowingly monitored or targeted. A unique aspect of this device is its ability to function as a high-tech burglar alarm. By hanging the device on a hotel or rental room door, it emits a loud alert if unauthorized entry occurs, offering extra security during overnight stays. Its compact, pen-like design ensures portability, making it convenient to carry during travel. Number 2. HUYNL Sweeper Spy Camera. The HUYNL Sweeper Spy Camera is a modern, high-performance device engineered to detect hidden surveillance devices quickly and accurately. Equipped with the latest AI chips, infrared sensors, and advanced detection technologies, it is capable of identifying a wide range of threats, including hidden cameras, GPS trackers, audio recording devices, and eavesdropping bugs. The device's multi-mode functionality allows users to customize detection to suit their needs, with options such as signal detection, hidden camera lens detection, magnetic GPS tracker detection, and laser sensing. Its adjustable sensitivity ensures that even the most discrete devices within a broad range can be identified, while optional vibration and alarm alerts provide additional notification methods for different environments. Designed with portability in mind, the Sweeper Spy Camera is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, making it ideal for travelers, professionals, and privacy-conscious individuals. The two-button interface simplifies operation, allowing users to switch between detection modes without complex procedures, ensuring usability for beginners and experts alike. Its battery offers an impressive 20 to 45 hours of continuous use and can be fully recharged in just 2.5 hours via Type-C fast charging, making it convenient for long trips. Number 3. HUYNL Airbnb Spy Camera. The HUYNL Airbnb Spy Camera is a sophisticated privacy protection device designed to ensure safety and security wherever you go. Its primary role is to detect hidden cameras, listening devices, and GPS trackers, making it an essential tool for travelers, rental property users, and professionals alike. This device goes beyond standard detection, offering double protection with an integrated anti-theft alarm and built-in flashlight, allowing users to safeguard their accommodations day or night. By hanging the device on a door or placing it discreetly in luggage, unauthorized entry or theft attempts can trigger an alarm, providing both security and peace of mind. Its advanced detection chips cover a wide frequency range of 50 MHz to 10 GHz, ensuring that even the most concealed devices are detected at distances of up to 15 meters. The HUYNL Airbnb Spy Camera is designed for professional-grade detection while remaining accessible for everyday users, featuring a real-time display and intuitive controls. Both sound and vibration feedback offer versatile alerts for different scenarios. Lightweight and portable, it can be used in hotels, offices, rental properties, and other public or private spaces, making it a highly flexible privacy tool. Whether for detecting hidden cameras in a hotel room or locating GPS trackers in a vehicle, it combines precision technology with user-friendly operation. Number 4. Navfalcon Anti-Spy Camera. The Navfalcon Anti-Spy Camera is a professional-grade privacy protection tool designed to detect a wide range of hidden surveillance devices with precision and ease. Equipped with 3 powerful detection modes, camera detection, GPS tracker detection, and infrared detection, it is capable of identifying wireless and wired cameras, eavesdropping devices, and trackers with magnetic fields. Its upgraded smart chip ensures faster detection speeds and higher accuracy, making it an ideal choice for protecting privacy in hotels, offices, residences, or public spaces. Designed with simplicity in mind, the device features an easy-to-use interface with mode selection and sensitivity adjustment buttons, allowing even novice users to operate it effectively without complex setup. Lightweight and portable, it is suitable for carrying to multiple locations such as meeting rooms, bathrooms, changing rooms, examination centers, and more. Once charged, the device offers up to 30 days of standby time, eliminating the need for frequent recharging. Its compact size does not compromise functionality, providing professional-level detection in a convenient package. By combining multiple detection modes, user-friendly controls, and long battery life, the Navfalcon Anti-Spy Camera offers comprehensive protection against hidden cameras, GPS trackers, and night vision devices. Number 5. JAXTIN G66 Pro Spy Camera. The JAXTIN G66 Pro Spy Camera is a high-performance device designed to provide professional privacy protection in a wide variety of environments. Its advanced detection technology enables users to locate hidden cameras, GPS trackers, and audio recording devices quickly and efficiently. The G66 Pro features continuously updated detection chips and enhanced infrared scanning technology, allowing for a more accurate and wider detection range. The device's optical lenses improve visibility of hidden camera reflections, making it easier to pinpoint concealed devices even in challenging locations. User-friendly controls include a visual screen, multiple detection modes, and clear status indicators, ensuring that both beginners and professionals can use the device effectively. It also offers Type-C fast charging, making it convenient for those who frequently travel or require on-the-go privacy protection. The JAXTIN G66 Pro is suitable for a variety of scenarios, including hotels, homes, offices, conference rooms, fitting rooms, bedrooms, bathrooms, and even vehicles. Its multifunctional design ensures comprehensive protection against surveillance threats, allowing users to maintain confidence in their surroundings. Beyond detection, the device is engineered for portability and ease of use, offering a combination of professional-grade technology and practical convenience. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.